Any idea what these are? Let's take a look at these Snore Stoppers. It says FDA registered, and it has quite a lot of details like the material used, weight, it's only 1 gram, and some other info. Manufactured in China for Pearl Enterprises. Costs 120 rupees or around $2 or so. You put these in your nose like this. It goes into the nose. Each of these goes into one of the holes. This structure will help your nose from closing, which allows you to breathe well, and which should in theory stop the snoring. Really interesting looking product. If you have snoring issues, maybe you should give this a try. Quite nice. Check it out.